So this is my chapter 7 activity. It's for 4th grade in the stage 4 syllabuses and affixes. It's a prefix word activity. You would put the students in groups of 3 or 4 and give them prefixes such as pre, re, un, dis, and I'm, un, or miss, and see how many prefixes they can brainstorm together. So how many words they can use, how many words they can make using the prefixes. And I would set a timer for about 8 minutes. The teams would come up with whoever could come up with the longest list, and then we would play a game. And after, so say each team, if 2 teams have, or say all the teams come up with the same word, they all have to erase, they all have to mark out that number or that word. And by the end of the game, we see who has the most words using prefixes that the other teams don't have. This you wouldn't really need like a game set up or anything like that. Yes, it would be a game or a team thing, but we would just be using like a big sheet of paper, or even you could just use small pieces of paper, pencils, markers, crayons for each student to be writing with, because each student needs to at least come up with one word on the list. A way to accommodate ELL and struggling students is that they'd be working in groups, as well as I would give them examples to start with, so that they can kind of see what exactly we're doing. And then a way for advanced students would be to use some of the prefixes that I didn't provide, and they can add those, which would also possibly make it where they could win. And the TEK that I would be using would be 4.2a, demonstrate and apply phonetic knowledge by decoding words using knowledge of prefixes. I liked this activity just because I didn't have to make anything. I literally could just hand all the kids a big sheet of paper, or even just small sheets of paper, and say, okay, 1, 2, 3, this is what we're doing, and wouldn't have to worry about any extras or teachers pay teachers or anything like that.